vlog. So today we're at the beach. Let's get this blunt going. Anyways, we just got here. We're eating sandwiches now. I can't really flip the camera.
The dog's chasing my napkin.
It's kind of windy, but it's better than being stuck at home in like 80-degree weather. So a win is a win. A win is a win. It is definitely not hot enough to be in a bikini. But it's okay. It's all about the scenery. Shut up. I can see it. The sun is like reflecting. Oh, I'm not showing my feet, but that's freezing. Okay guys, so I built this seat for me. That's like the headrest. That's where I put my legs. That's where I put my head. Hey, hopefully it's recording, but it might be like crooked. Never. And this is the little backrest. You don't even need a lounge chair at the beach. You can make one. Thanks for watching that. We walked up this cliff. So we're done with the beach. As you just saw, oh, this guy's car broke down in the drive-thru for Burger King, and they're helping him push his car, and I really hope he doesn't slam into this car because this is not my car, this is my brother's car, and I'm waiting for my brother in the bathroom. But yeah. They keep looking at me. Anyways, you guys just saw me shotgun a beer, or it wasn't even a beer. You guys saw me try to shotgun, and that was my second attempt at shotgunning ever, and it squirted all over me, and like now I'm like sticky. But anyways, so much is happening. This guy's car broke down in the drive-thru, and I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, they're helping him like park into the space. We're in just like the parking lot. But yeah, so I'm making it a thing to, like, by the end of summer, I will be able to shotgun. Like, hold me to it. By the end of summer, I will be able to shotgun.
Hey, hurry up.
I got my ice cream. Look how good. Oh, there's ice cream on He didn't get one because he thinks he's a skinny legend. But he's actually big backed as fuck, so.
Sometimes.
I keep getting ice cream on my face. Anyways, this is the best part of my day. Mwah, cheers after my shotgunning fail. You're right. ASMR. Oh yeah, sorry. So we're back home now. It's like 9 p.m. I want to say. We were stuck in traffic for like an hour and 30 minutes, an hour and a half. It was kind of a short video, I think, because I didn't film a lot. We were at the beach for like 2 hours. It was just a quick little trip. I'm about to take this one on a walk, so he's super excited. But if you watched this video, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which PS is gonna be it's gonna be exciting. So yeah. Bye.